How to remove your Gmail account from other devices. If your Gmail account is logged in on another device and you want to remove it, then simply follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open the Google app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Also, make sure that you are logged into the same Google account you want to log out from another devices. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen or your initial and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, from the drop-down menu, simply tap on the Manage Your Google account. Once inside it, from the tab option available at the top, swipe and tap on the Security option available there. Now scroll down till you find Your Devices and simply tap on the Manage All Devices at the blue highlights option available there. Here, find the device you want to remove. You will get to see the list of devices option available. Now simply find the device you want to remove. Simply tap on it. Now you will have to enter the Google account password and tap on the next option available there. Enter your Google account password. After done so, you will get to see sign out option available there. Click sign out and confirm it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.